nangyayari na kailangan yung mamili, yung nasa committed relationship kayo, tapos nangyari nga na naging salawa yung partner nyo, tapos kamag-anak nyo yung naging third party. Ano ang gagawin nyo? Sino ang pipiliin nyo sa ganung sitwasyon?
Wala na, cut off both. Cut both of them out of your life. Lalo na kung kamag-anak mo, or, di ba, parang kaibigan mo. Yun talaga eh, because that's the painful thing about betrayal. It never comes from your enemies. You know what I mean? Yes. You can only get betrayed by people close to you.
Correct.
So that's the most dangerous part.
So, yung sa akin naman is, ikakat ko rin sila both, pero yung brother ko, like, syempre, I'm gonna treat him the same way, pero yung respect lang talaga for that person is mawawala. Kahit sobrang close namin, kahit ano pa napagsaba namin, basta magbabago yun kasi sobrang sakit na dun eh. Like, coming from my brother, doing it from me, coming from you na of all people, you're the one that's gonna betray me. So, sobrang sakit talaga na. So, baby, yung respect nga is mawawala.
Ako po, same lang din. Kapag ginawa sa akin yun, I don't need any explanation. Talagang mag-walk away ako. Kasi clear naman yung nangyari. So, hindi ko kailangan makipag-usap or wala nang questions yun. So, goodbye. Parang yun lang. Wala na akong pake. Ganun. Dead to me.
You're dead. Ako, I guess, same thing kami, Aldi. Pero, rather than cut, parang I'll just keep them at a certain length. Na parang alam ko na, next time, I'm gonna put boundaries na sa relationship ko. With my yung kapamilya ko, yung isa, wala na. Ex na lang.